Here at the farm, June is hydrangea time. We have lots and lots of selections for you right now for your hydrangeas. This is called Pink Crush. Beautiful, large, very large, ever blooming all summer long hydrangea. There's a blue. This is Endless Summer. Once again, blooms all summer long for you. And we'll talk in a little bit about how we keep them that nice pink and that nice blue color throughout the season for you. Some simple tricks to keep them looking lovely. And we also have Annabelle. Annabelle is our white, it's an antique variety hydrangea, very large blooms. Blooms for a couple of months. Very reliable, very, very hardy for our New England gardens here. Another variety we have here is Bloomstruck. This is a two-tone purple and blue. As you can see, it starts out a little bit on the creamy side, goes to a nice blue, and then eventually it ends up in this purple here. Blooms again all summer long for you. It's in the Endless Summer series. And that one too is an excellent choice for your New England gardens. We also have a beautiful little kind of compact white one here. It stays a nice shape for you. It's white. It's called Little Hottie. Now, all these hydrangeas that I have mentioned do like morning sun with a break from that hot afternoon sun. That's what sometimes can scorch the leaves on your hydrangeas. We also have another one here called Strawberry Sundae. This is a conical flower, unlike the other ones that I've been showing you, like a mop heads. This is a conical flower. Beautiful, beautiful pink. They can get up to 5 feet tall. Blooms most of the summer for you. It does set up in the early summer, and so late summer into fall, this will be blooming for you. Also very reliable for your gardens where you need something large to fill in some spaces. Moulton Farm now offers a native plant section for you this year. Gotten into it a little bit more. And we're on the subject of hydrangeas. So this is our pinky pollen ring hydrangea. It is a native hydrangea, about 5 to 6 feet tall. Wants a part sun situation. It is a very cottagey core selection for your garden. One of my favorite that I've had in my yard now for about 5 years. I liked them so much I bought 2 of them. Fit in very well because my garden is a cottage garden. So here at Moulton Farm, you can find this beautiful native hydrangea. A couple more hydrangea selections here at the farm is Bobo, pure white. It is a pure white hydrangea. Beautiful plant for your garden. Stays a wonderful shape, stays small and compact. A great choice for you small gardeners or have spaces that you don't have room for great big trees and shrubs. Another one here, which is a favorite, is Limelight. One of the few hydrangeas that will take full sun, 6 to 8 feet tall, a lime color type blossom, blooms most of the summer. Excellent choice for even a cut flower. Hold well inside. All right, Quick Fab hydrangea is another one. It's a panicle hydrangea. A little white to it and has a beautiful, beautiful deep pink color. Great choice for your garden. Has wonderful stem color to it as well. Some of the hydrangeas do have a different color stem, which adds a little contrast to them. And then we also have these hydrangeas like a general all-purpose fertilizer, like a 20-20-20, a 10-10-10. And we talked about our blue hydrangeas and our pink hydrangeas before. And there's a little trick to them. So the blue hydrangeas love an acidic soil. A way to get that soil is to use your morning coffee grounds. Work them into the soil around it. You will have beautiful blossoms, beautiful blue blossoms throughout the summer. And the pink hydrangea, which is called Pink Crush, is a more alkaline, so they like a little lime around their roots and around the base of their plant. But long about the time that you see them setting up with their buds, which is what you're seeing here, they're starting to form buds. That's about the time you're going to go in with your fertilizers to change and to keep that deep color of pink and blue. Otherwise, first thing in the spring, wake them up with a little 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 all-purpose fertilizer.